Today we are looking at the 2010 Porsche Cayenne with the 4.8 liter V8 engine. This is a luxury SUV that was built to drive like a sports car. Let's see if it's still worth it today. What a peaceful spot. You can actually hear nature around you. Anyway, back to our Cayenne V8. From the side, this Cayenne looks long, wide and strong. The big doors and high roof show that this is a serious SUV. These large alloy rims and wide tires give the Cayenne a sporty look. They also help with grip and stability when driving fast. At the front, you can see the Porsche headlights and the wide grille. The hood is long and smooth, giving it a powerful look. This front end makes the Cayenne look more like a sports car than an SUV. The body of this Cayenne looks clean and solid. The lines are simple but bold, and the car still looks modern even today. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It really makes a difference and helps support the channel. At the back, you'll notice the shorter tail lights paired with a wide planted stance, and those twin exhaust pipes let you know this Cayenne is packing a proper V8. This 4.8 liter V8 makes about 283 kilowatts and 500 Newton meter of torque. It can do 0 to 100 in about 6 seconds. For a big SUV, that is very fast. The boot is large and easy to load. You can fit shopping bags, luggage or even sports gear with no problem. Under the boot floor, you'll find a spare tire and tools. Everything is neatly packed, making it easy to change a tire if needed. This Cayenne comes with air suspension. That means the car can go higher for bad roads or lower for sporty driving. It makes the ride smooth and very comfortable. And yes, it has a tailgate button, which is very helpful when your hands are full. The passenger side feels very solid and premium. The screen is clear and the buttons around it are easy to use, including the aircon controls. Given that this is a 2010 model, a modern infotainment screen is not something you'd expect. The driver area feels sporty and luxury at the same time. The steering wheel feels good to hold and the gauges are easy to read. The gear selector is strong and smooth to use. The cup holders are placed well and easy to reach while driving. These buttons let you change drive modes and settings. You can make the car feel sporty or comfortable with one press. Under the armrest, you get a storage space plus aux, USB and iPod ports. This makes it easy to connect your phone or music. Backseat passengers get air vents and cup holders, so everyone stays cool and comfortable on long drives. These sunshades help protect passengers from strong sunlight. The back seats have small lights and hooks for bags or jackets, which makes the cabin more practical. The front seats are soft, supportive and very comfortable, perfect for long trips or fast driving. The back seats are wide and comfortable, giving passengers plenty of space and support. Driving the 2010 Porsche Cayenne 4.8 liter V8 is a very special experience. When driving the car, you can immediately hear the deep V8 sound. On the road, this Cayenne feels more powerful and smooth. When you press the accelerator, the power comes quickly and the car moves fast for such a big SUV. On the highway, it feels stable and comfortable even at high speed. Now let's talk about running costs. This car uses a lot of fuel because of the V8 engine. You can expect around 5 to 7 kilometers per liter if you drive normally. Service costs are also high because this is a Porsche. Parts are expensive and you must service it at good workshops to keep it running well. In terms of reliability, the 4.8 liter V8 is strong, but it needs good maintenance. If oil changes are skipped, it can have engine problems. The air suspension can also fail over time, and that can be expensive to fix. If the car has a full service history, it can be a very good buy. On the buying side, this one is actually for sale. The seller's details are in the description below. So is this Cayenne still worth it? Yes, if you want luxury, power and comfort in one car. It feels special to drive and still looks great. But you must be ready for the high fuel and maintenance costs. If you can afford that, this Cayenne is a very exciting SUV to own. That's it for this review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more reviews. From sports cars to everyday drivers. Until next time, this is Kai and I'll see you on the next drive.